I asked you guys to pick my makeup for today's video and we have some very interesting answers. 50-50 on two of the products, so I'm very excited to combine the two for you. So for foundation, I gave you an option between Maybelline Fit Me and Giorgio Armani, and 56% of you chose Maybelline Fit Me. I cannot say enough good things about this foundation. It is one of my favorite. It tops at #1 rank for me in terms of drugstore foundation. I'm in the shade 220 Natural Beige here. Honestly, it's a more neutral tone, so that's great. It really depends on where my skin is at. It can be 220 or 230. This is such a gorgeous foundation. Like, I don't even understand. Okay, when it came to concealer, I asked you guys if you wanted me to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal, which is my go-to, or the Rare Beauty Concealer, and 61% of you chose LA Girl Pro Concealer. You guys know I'm in the shade Pure Beige, right? It just covers everything up so beautifully. I'm gonna go on top of my eyelid as well and just conceal the entire area. So my second concealer choices were the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer or the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and 52% of you chose NARS. It was a close competition, but you guys chose NARS, so NARS it is. I'm just gonna put that underneath my eye just to highlight, and on the outer side as well. I'm just going to set my eye now, and for this I did not give you guys an option because I was like, look, I have only one powder that I gravitate towards. It's the Maybelline Fit Me. Maybelline Fit Me everything right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it. I'm in the shade Light 15. We all know that. I'm just gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face. I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte compact powder. This is in the shade 402 Beige. Just tap the compact powder into my skin. So for eyeshadow, I asked you guys whether you want me to use the Khaki Haze by Huda Beauty palette or the Colourpop Wild Child palette, and 52% of you chose the Huda Beauty palette. So close competition again. To begin with, I'm picking up this shade right here. It's a neutral color. I'm just gonna prep my eyes with this first before I move on to any other shadow. I'm picking up this very beautiful khaki green shade in the middle. This is the 247, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner. Okay, that is a beautiful olive shade. Wow. So it does have a bit of fallout, quite a bit actually, so make sure you are taking care of that and you're tapping it more than anything else. So what I'm gonna do is, actually I'm gonna take a little bit more loose powder. I'm just going to put that on my under eye like that, and I'm gonna let it sit. So when my eyeshadow falls, it'll fall on the loose powder right here, and then I will just brush it off and the fallout will go right away with the powder. But I'm definitely leaning towards the green shimmer. Okay, I must admit there's a lot of glitter fallout on my face right now, and it might just stick because it's glitter. I'm taking a little bit of this rose gold eyeshadow right here, and it's so stunning, laid right on top in the middle. I'm just blending it out really well. Wow, my whole face is covered in glitter. I'm picking out this shadow right here. It's the darkest color, so I'm just gonna take that on my Rufa Beauty RB09 brush. Okay guys, so there is a lot of glitter fallout, I must say, but I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna dust off the loose powder now for my bake. I'm gonna take the same khaki colors that I use and I'm just gonna go ahead and complete it under the eye. So for eyeliner, I asked you guys if I should use the Estee Lauder eyeliner or the L'Oreal one, and 55% of you chose L'Oreal. So that's what I'm gonna do. So whenever you have hooded eyes and a lot of like skin falling over, you just go straight. Instead of going like that, you go straight. So I asked you if you wanted to choose the Fenty or the Sugar Cosmetics, and we got a 50-50% on both, which is incredible. Okay, I'm gonna do Sugar first. I actually like this mascara because it does the job, as in, you know, if I didn't have the liner, you would see my lashes. It's pretty. It's like, it does something. It lifts it a little, it coats it as well, so it's a decent mascara. Okay, so both are decent. I prefer Sugar over the Fenty one, to be very honest with you. Moving on to contour. So this is exciting. I asked you guys if you wanted Laguna by NARS or Sugar Cosmetics, and 55% of you chose Sugar Cosmetics. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's a very nice contour. Seamless, easy, blends very well, no jhanjat. Like, honestly, a very good palette out there. That's it. I'm snatched, baby. For bronzer, I asked you guys if you want the K-Beauty bronzer or the Patrick Ta bronzer. 61% of you chose K-Beauty, so that's what we're gonna go for. Okay, the K-Beauty bronzer is pretty warm and actually pretty stunning, so I love it. I like how my contoured face looks right now. Okay, contoured my nose, and that's a pretty sharp contour, I must say. Very interestingly, for blush, I asked you guys if you want the MAC Melba, which is one of my favorite blushes, or the Colourbar Pink Pinch. And 66% of you chose the MAC Melba, which is a clear winner. So I'm gonna pick the MAC Melba right here, and I'm gonna put that on my cheeks. Very good choice, yeah, you guys are really good. It's a very, very beautiful everyday blush. Melba is a neutral, beautiful pink blush. Hell yeah for blushes all my life. I don't know how people go without using blush. I don't know. I don't understand people who don't use blush. So for highlighter, you guys, I asked if you wanted the K-Beauty highlighter or the Makeup by Mario one, and 67 of you chose K-Beauty. Clearly, K-Beauty is the winner. So I'm gonna take the K-Beauty Illuminating Highlighter in Champagne Fizz, one of my favorite highlighters actually. Okay, stunning, stunning, stunning highlighter. Actually really quite stunning. Okay, for lashes, I asked you guys if you wanted to choose the Huda Beauty Lottie Luxe Silk Lashes or the Rufa Beauty one, and 63% of you chose the Huda Beauty one. Okay, you guys, I definitely think this lash is a little off. It's a little longer, so I'm gonna take it off. It's not looking good. Okay, I'm taking the Rufa Beauty one and putting that on. This is in this style Malaya. We're back after literally 1,000 years. Okay, moving on to lip liner. For lip liner, I asked you guys if you want me to use the MAC Soar or the Jaclyn Cosmetics Coffee Cake, and 64% of you chose MAC Soar, which is my favorite lip liner of all time. So let's do it. So for lipstick, I asked you guys if you wanted the PAC Peach Fuzz or the Kiro Sandy Rose, and it's a 50-50% on both, which is awesome because I love both equally. Kiro has recently become one of my favorite formulations for liquid lipstick, and they're clean beauty, which is great. That's the color of Sandy Rose, so they're almost similar. So I'm gonna blend the two now. This color is slightly on the cooler side, so it matches the eye, but of course a more neutral nude would suit this eye look better.